How to fix Escape the Backrooms crashing. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to Steam, and this not only works with Backrooms, this works with literally every single app. Now go to the Manage, go to Properties, Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. What this will do is this will repair the game. Now if that doesn't work, you can try updating your graphics card drivers. This is the website you're going to use for NVIDIA, and this is the website that you're going to use for AMD graphics cards. Because I have NVIDIA, I can download the NVIDIA app, or I can just simply click on drivers and search my graphics card. There you go, let's find, and simply just find the newest one, and there you go. This is the graphics driver for me. Now if that doesn't work, after updating your graphics card drivers, what you're going to do is download DirectX. Simply click download here and run this setup. After you've done that, make sure you download Visual Code. So simply go to this website and click the latest one. There you go. And simply run this setup. After you're done with that, restart your computer and the game should run easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.